Now, there are different components of the financial system. This is the first part of the our subject, Indian financial system. What are the various components of the financial? There are four major components of the Indian financial system. One is the financial institutions, financial assets, the financial services, and then financial markets. So, financial institutions are the, as I have told you, that the banks and other insurance companies, and then different types of financial institutions are there. Maybe even financial intermediaries, regulatory bodies, that all comes under the financial institutions. So these financial institutions are there in the financial system through which the financial services can also be provided. So these financial services may be either fund based or non-fund based services that will be provided. Fund may be providing a loan to the customers, non-fund services like merchant banking services and other services that is being provided to the factoring services that is being provided to the customers. So these financial services is provided by the financial institutions, and there are certain financial assets are also there, that may be shares, bonds, and then other type of financial assets are there. So that financial assets will be utilized by the people in the market to make investments or to deposit their money. And these financial assets will create the funds, and these funds will help the financial other business houses to get in loans through which they can perform their business operations very smoothly, or through which they can raise the capital required for their business. Financial markets are the markets where these financial assets can be bought and sold, or various financial services will be provided to the customers. So these are the four components, four important components that comes under the Indian financial system. Tell you four components of the Indian financial system, and these are the four components. One is financial institutions, financial assets, services, and markets. Now we will discuss in detail about the functions of the financial institutions.